Hi, our story begins with a B2B company called SmartFire. SmartFire provides smoke alarms for hospitals and other types of businesses. Jim, a salesperson, logs into his account, lands on his home dashboard, where he has access to a range of features that help him manage his leads and sales pipeline. The dashboard includes a new leads list view dashlet, which Jim uses to reach out to marketing qualified leads. Jim reviews the dashlet and spots a lead named Sarah Smith. Sarah works for Memorial Hospital. Jim clicks on Sarah's name to bring up her profile and notices the Account Insights dashlet, which provides valuable clues about Sarah's business. Jim checks out the Overview section and obtains a broad understanding of the lead, Sarah. He needs to determine if Sarah's organization is a good fit. Prompted by the AI, he asks some additional questions to better understand the specific services Memorial Hospital offers. Having determined that Memorial is a good fit, Jim is keen on learning more about Sarah's business. He switches to the Business History tab on her profile, where he reviews other crucial information about the lead. Clicking through the other tabs, Jim views firmographic details, key contact information, and even competitor information. These valuable insights will help Jim understand the type of pitch he needs to make to effectively sell to Sarah and Memorial Hospital. Jim is now well equipped to make informed and targeted sales calls. He clicks the Ask AI button and asks it to create a call script. This opens a draft call screen with Sarah pre-populated as an attendee. The internal notes are pre-populated with the script received from GPT. Jim then reviews the script and adjusts the content as needed, and clicks the Save button to create the call record. Thanks to the power of SugarCRM's AI capabilities, Jim was able to save time, eliminate the need for prospect research, and provide targeted call scripts that increase the chances of a successful sale.